Are you experiencing the uncomfortable effects of hard water in your home? If you have hard water, problems you may be experiencing are lackluster showers and baths with next to no soapy lather, resulting in soap scum left behind on your skin and hair, laundry that appears dull, dingy, and feels stiff, difficulty cleaning because of scale buildup on shower doors and sinks, dishes that may be left with spots and a thin filmy residue after washing, excess scale on your water-consuming appliances and fixtures, shortening their lifespan. A water softener will help to remove the hard minerals from your water, making it more enjoyable to bathe in without noticeable soap scum left on your skin and hair. Save your favorite clothes with brighter, softer, cleaner laundry, and with less scale buildup, you'll spend less time cleaning. With the Reliance Water Softener, you may also get better performance out of your plumbing fixtures, pipes, and appliances like your dishwasher, coffee maker, and humidifier. Reliance Water Softeners are certified to NSF standards and are professionally installed by our licensed plumbers. Our water softeners offer high-quality performance that come with lower maintenance requirements. To learn more about water softeners and other water purification solutions, book an in-home consultation with one of our trusted water purification advisors. The advisor will test your water and discuss your needs to determine the best solution for you and your home.